What is up, you gorgeous people? Today I want to actually share what are 12 amazing things that have happened in our lives because of the coronavirus. I know this is a horrible thing. I know life is uncertain. I know the stock market's going like this and maybe you've lost your job, but there are some things that we can actually appreciate and take a few moments out, and I'm going to highlight 12 of them for you right now. So first off, people are actually Facetiming and talking to their friends and parents so much more. One of the things I've really loved about this whole coronavirus quarantine wild time right now and uncertainty is that every night after my fiance comes home from the hospital or we're just at night, we talk about our day. And we've made an effort of this, and I really, really love that. And we're doing that every night. And I'm sure you've done it with your parents, with your friends. Maybe you have some Zoom poker sessions or whatever it is you've had. Number two, people are creating virtual happy hours. It's the creativity is blowing my mind. Virtual happy hours, opera concerts on balconies, Zoom workouts, meditation. So much different creativity is coming out of these limitations. How can you even be more creative? Think about it for yourself. But I love seeing all the creativity coming out of businesses, about helping hospitals, people making masks out of new things. So much coming out right now with creativity. Number three, cooking at home. I've been eating a lot of canned tuna, but we've also been cooking a lot more food at home. It's not to say we don't want to support our local restaurants, but a lot of people are learning how to cook, trying new dishes. I know Anton's been doing a lot of his favorite dishes that he knows at restaurants, so he's just been recreating them at home. So I think it's been an amazing thing to actually learn how to cook and be a little bit healthier. I know Eric on our team actually has lost weight during this quarantine and during this wild time. Number four, a shorter commute. So if you're not driving anymore or bicycling, well, you want to be biking, but if you're not driving, I'm guessing you're probably like, wow, do I really need this office as much? And it is nice to connect. It's nice to socialize and be a part of a team, but the shorter commute gives you more time to do other things that you really want to be doing. Number five thing you probably didn't appreciate or you are appreciating about the coronavirus, you're worrying less about buying new shit and you're much more satisfied with what you have. I don't know what socks I'm wearing today. I'm wearing the no-shows. But one thing about wearing less is that I think a lot of us, there's a lot of luxuries out there. And I think right now it's really made me appreciate, I think I have more than enough. And I really love that sentiment. And I love sharing that with every single one of you. So you probably have more than enough in your own lives just as well. And it makes you appreciate, I actually do like my place. I'm happy with my clothing. I don't need new socks. Number six, the world has come together. And so we're polluting less. We're caring more. I remember during September 11th, 2001, I was in college at Berkeley and I woke up and it was traumatizing. And the thing that really stuck out with me over the next 2 weeks was how much everyone cared and was nicer to everyone. I'm not sure how long that's going to last with all this stuff, but I will say I hope it lasts and it plants a little seed for all of us to be nicer and helpful to everyone for the rest of our lifetimes. Number seven, no shaving and or no makeup or hair products. I don't have any hair, so it doesn't really affect me. But you're working at home. Maybe you don't have to go out. Maybe you don't have to change as much. A lot of times, a lot of people are appreciative. Man, I'm just let my beard grow wild. Fear the beard. So that is something really nice. Number eight is picking up old hobbies. Drawing, musical instruments. I'm doing a lot of chess. I have some jump rope stuff I've been playing around with. So what are some old hobbies or drawings that you can actually start doing today? Number nine, reducing unnecessary stuff. I love cost cutting. I love being practical, not cheap. And so there's a lot of people out there nowadays because maybe you lost your job. Maybe you're nervous about spending money. You're saying, what are subscriptions? What are things I can donate? Maybe some things I can sell. And so a lot of people are saying, let me reduce the amount of things I have and only focus on the things that give me joy. So that's a really exciting thing. And number 10, learning. So many people now are taking online classes. There's Skillshare, there's Teachable, there's YouTube, there's Instagram. There's all these amazing places now that have so many amazing teachers and so many experts who may be out of jobs that are available to teach you stuff. And so you should take the opportunity, if you're not already, to go out there and learn so many amazing things. And number 11, abundance. So abundance. One thing that's always amazed me is that every time I go to the store, I've always thought, man, there's so many options of cereal. And we don't even really buy cereal because we're all into keto and we're all health freaks. But I think one thing that I hope you guys take away, and I know I've taken away, is that you're going to appreciate all the choices that we've had at these stores. It's so easy now because you go to these stores and it's like, oh my God, there's no eggs and there's no chicken. And you're grateful that you can just get something. And I hope that really sticks with me and with every single one of you about the abundance of things that we have. And next up is just appreciation for all the things that we're still alive, right? You still have a house over your head, I hope. You still have some food. You're not starving. You're still alive to be able to go work and have a purpose and have meaning in your life. And so if anything out of this today, I hope you can just appreciate that there's a lot of really good things going on. And I hope you're doing amazing. And I hope you come out of this better than ever. I love you. Bye.